Today's topic: two nouns that end in a hissing sound. SHSSSCHXZ form their plural, adding es to the singular. Class, classes, dress, dresses, inch, inches, church, churches, watch, watches, branch, branches, peach, peaches, gas, gases, glass, glasses, ash, ashes, brush, brushes, bus, buses, fox, foxes, batch, batches,